Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Shaleen. Goa witnessed an enthusiastic voter turnout across North and South Goa constituencies on Tuesday. An overall voter turnout of almost 74% was recorded in both the parliamentary constituencies. As the voting came to an end, Panjim recorded the lowest voter turnout in North Goa, while Veli constituency had the lowest voter turnout in South. Porye, Valpoi and Sankili constituencies stood out in the percentage race, recording over 80% voter turnout. Goans will have to wait for the results of voting till June 4th. Both the parties have expressed full confidence in winning the seats, while Congress claims it is anti-incumbency that has damaged BJP. The BJP claims that the overall rise in voting percentage is favor of the double-engine government.
हाँ ये दूसरे ले ले
Voters across the state witnessed multiple incidents. Firstly, voters from Kasauli and other parts raised a serious issue about fake indelible ink used at the polling booth. In the second case, a woman voter in Fatorda constituency was caught clicking pictures of the voting machine. Opposition leaders alleged that the picture was clicked to submit as evidence to a BJP leader for favors. Thirdly, at many places, voters had to wait because of the temporary malfunctioning of the EVM machines.
I'm really shocked that the mark for the voter that is put on the finger has suddenly disappeared just because I poured a few drops of water after having a cup of tea. Now, if this is going to happen with all the other voters, how are we going to ensure that the voting is done on principles? Okay, anybody may wash the finger with soap and come back to vote. So, I think the voting should be stopped. Those in charge should come and check what's wrong and ensure that the ink that is used is the right ink. Because I remember having voted all these years, all these times, so many times, and the mark wouldn't go even for a month. And I just voted and went for a cup of tea, poured a little water on my hands, and the mark is gone. Yeah. The polling booth number is 36. That is in Kasauli, St. Thomas High School.
कला ये आंगा मुख्यमंत्री येऊन गेलो तो आता लास्ट मिनिट सबका साथ सबका विकास म्हणटा काय याद जाली हांगाच्या लोकांक भंय घालून मतां एकूच सायडीन मारपाक ही जी दादागिरी दिगंबर कंपनी चालली आहा ती केन्ना तरी बंद जावपाक जाय हे गांवाक न्याय मेळपाक जाय आनी सगळ्यांक कॅनवसींग सारकें मेळूंक जाय म्हणजे फातोडेचे लोक बेजार जाल्ले आहा आमी दिगंबराक फूल कॅनवस करपाक दिना सो ताजे एरियेन जर आमी कॅनवास करता जाल्यार तो गुंडागिरी करता. ही गुंडागिरी हांगा फुडें चलची ना. ही मेसेज दिवपा खातीर आमी हांगा आयिल्ले आहा. आमची क्लियर कट मेसेज आहा की हांगा गुंडागिरी म्हणजे चलची ना. हांगा सगळ्यांक फ्रिडम आसपाक जाय कॅनवास करपाक. लोकशाय आमकां हो रायट दिता आनी हाजे खातीर आमी कॅनवास करूंक आयल्या. हांगा कॅनवास करना आमी फकत आयल्या की लोकांक हांगा धमकी पडची न्ही. तांकां मताक कोण मारता तें कळटलें. आपूण तुमची घरां मोडटलो. हे जनरेशनाक एक धमकी चलची ना. हाणेंच लोकांक संवय लायली काँग्रेसीक वोट मारपाक आनी आतां आपूण चेंज जाला आनी BJPक मारपाक धमकी दिता. त्यो धमक्यो चलच्यो ना. आनी आमचे लोक सामके बेजार जाल्ले आहा कित्याक आमी केन्नाच फातोर्डा मतदारसंघात अशें केलें ना.
Age is just a number to cast vote, as senior citizens across Goa were seen physically going to the polling stations to cast their votes for the ongoing Lok Sabha elections 2024. Braving the summer heat and their age, most of the senior citizens were assisted by their families as they were unable to walk by themselves.
पंटवा कडेन हांव आतां हाफ एन आवरा पयलीं पावता हांगाच्यान वास्को. हेंच सांगपाचें.
किती फॅसिलिटीज
माझं पंटवा
एज कितली मॅडम तुमची?
82 कंप्लीट.
82 कंप्लीट.
म्हजो रायट तो वोट करपाचो.
सो कितें सांगूंक सोदता तुमी हेच्या
इलेक्शनाक आनी कितें सांगतलो जस्ट फॉर द इलेक्शन. आमकां कितें पळय जाय हें करपाक आमचो रायट हें करपाक आयले आमी.
या थैंक यू.
તમે એજ છો?
80.
और आप आज वोट मारा, कितना कैसा देखते हो आप?
कैसा लग रहा है?
कैसा क्यों लागे छे वोट करें તમને?
तो अच्छा देश हमारा देश मान है.
कशें जालें तुमगे वोटींग?
जालें बरें पूण आमकां मातशें रावचें पडलें. 2 वरां सुमार जाली. इल्ली आमी 9 सकाळीं.
पूण तुमकां सिनियर सिटीजनाक कांय फॅसिलिटीज बीन स्पेशल लायन्स बीन कांय दिवना? ओके.
First-time voters proudly cast their votes in the recent Lok Sabha elections, expressing their trust in the party they chose. They emphasized the importance of the government using their power to focus on the development and empowerment of youth. The voters had high hopes for more progress and development in the coming years and urged the citizens to fulfill their civic duty and participate in the democratic process.
म्हाका वोट करून बरें दिसता आनी हांव अशें मागता की आनी यंगस्टर्स अशेंच एनकरेज जावन येवचे वोटिंगाक. आनी हांवें एक डेवलॉपींग कंट्रीक वोट केला आनी मागता की आनी मुखार फुडें डेवलप जावचें आनी हांवें ताका वोट केला तो दिल्ली वचून आनी आवाज वयर करतलो अशें मागता. आनी डेवलप जावपा जाय आनी जाता तितले मिनिस्टरांनी पळोवपाक जाय लोकांक तेंचे नीड्स बी एडिक्स स्किल्स बी तांकां जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी स्पेशली चड दिवपा जाय इतलेंच मागता. आनी हें मागता की यंगस्टर्स बी येवपा जाय वोटिंगा लागून. कोण नायक आनी म्हाजी मम्मा एक्स सरपंच आनी त्या टायमार सगळ्या लोकांनी म्हाज्या मम्माक ट्रस्ट करून म्हाज्या मम्माक निवडून हाडलेलें आनी ती खूब डेवलपमेंट केल्लें. तशेंच ह्या फावटी हांव मोदीक ट्रस्ट करता आनी म्हाका खबर आसा मोदीन जितलें आतां डेवलपमेंट केल्या तें तो फुडें करत रावतलो. खूब बरें दिसता. एक्सायटेड आसलें हांव. पयलीं कन्फ्यूज आसलें कशें कितें करप तें पूण बाकीच्या लोकांक पळोवन कळ्ळें कशें करप तें आनी एक्सायटेड आसलें.
Madhu Gupta, a transgender from Santa Cruz, cast her vote for the first time, marking a crucial milestone for the community. In a significant step towards inclusivity, the transgender community in Goa has made its presence felt in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections.
मैं वोटिंग की हूँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है. मैं लोगों को यही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि आज हमने अपने देश के लिए वोट किया है और आज ये वोटिंग का एक ऐसा पर्व है जो सब मिल के मनाना चाहिए। जैसे होली, दिवाली, दशहरा, हर जो फेस्टिवल हम मनाते हैं उसमें बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लेते हैं। तो वोटिंग में भी आप प्लीज़ बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लें, क्योंकि हमारी ये राष्ट्र का पर्व दिवस है और इसे हमें भारी से भारी संख्या में बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लेना चाहिए। आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आज मैं अपने देश के लिए, अपने देश के भविष्य के लिए, देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मैंने वोट किया है।
आपको फर्स्ट टाइम वोट है?
हाँ जी, मेरे फर्स्ट टाइम वोट है।
आपको वोटिंग राइट्स मिला, आपको इसको किस तरह से देखते हैं आपको?
मुझे वोटिंग राइट मिला है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एक दिन था कि मेल फीमेल ट्रांसजेंडरों को लोग सही नज़र से नहीं देखते थे और एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते थे। आज समाज में हमें बराबरी का हिस्सा मिला हुआ है।
Foreign delegates representing Mongolia visited the mock polling pink booth in Goa College of Home Science at Kampala on Tuesday. These delegates visited Goa to witness the world's largest ongoing electoral process of the India's Lok Sabha elections.
As an international observer, I had this great chance of observing in Indian Lok Sabha elections, and today I'm here for the mock polling. And the mock polling was opened, and it go with all the political agents present at each polling station, and election officers were all there and having their own duties and assignments. I've been observing all of the process from the beginning, and the mock polling was another experience I haven't seen before in any other countries, and I've proof that Indian citizens have so many good organizations provided by the ECI and other election officers. Their vote, the right to cast a vote is ensured 100%, because mock polling was also conducted by these election officers with each process handled very carefully, and I've got witness that the machine EVM, VVPAT, is also working completely correct, showing that the votes of the citizens has been approved with a correct form, and in a way it sounds, so I completely trusted with the system, the automatic system here. I also trust and believe with the elections officer will be supporting the votes to be ensured, the citizens' votes to be ensured, and the right to be fulfilled these days.
Will you be visiting another Sundays too?
We've been visiting 2 polling stations here today, and one was at the pink one, the pink that's to attract female voters, and the green one was at another polling station where we have witnessed mock trial as well, mock polling as well. So now we are heading to the actual polling at 7 o'clock sharp, and we will be coming back again. And thank you, sir.
Amidst the Phase 3 Lok Sabha elections, there is a rise in temperature in the state. The Indian Meteorological Department recorded a maximum temperature of 34.1 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Goa to remain hot and humid with no heat wave alert. The maximum temperature in Panjim was recorded to be constant without warm night conditions. Hot and humid conditions are likely to in isolated places over North and South Goa districts on 7th and 8th May.
Amidst the Phase 3 of Lok Sabha elections in the state, temperature is recorded 34.1 degrees Celsius. According to the forecast, the maximum temperature is expected to be below the 98th percentile. This means that while the temperatures may be high, they are not considered extreme. However, it is still important to take precautions and not overexert oneself, especially during the peak afternoon hours. The relative humidity and wind speed are not expected to change significantly during the next 7 days. This could mean that the air may feel heavy and stagnant, but it is not a cause for concern. No significant change is expected during the next 7 days. Heat index is expected to be below 40 degrees Celsius during the next 7 days.
From once being a very beautiful lake, the Vade Lake located at Vasco has now turned into a sludge of sewage waste. Due to the continuous discharge of raw sewage water, the lake has been emitting a foul stench. Locals have urged the authorities to take action against the issue.
On Tuesday, locals witnessed a disgusting odor lingering in the air at New Vadem, Vasco, as the Vadem lake was reeking with sewage water. The lake, in contact with the raw sewage water, has turned into green sludge with algae, garbage and sewage. The lake, which once contained a variety of fish, has now become dangerous for them to survive. In the past, this lake was also used for the auspicious Ganesh idol immersion. Concerned locals urged the authorities to take care of the lake and restore the lake by cleaning it immediately.
तेन्ना उदक बरें क्लीन आसलें आनी कसले कसले नुस्तें मेळटाली तेन्ना काळू काळुंदरा हय तसले नुस्तें मेळटालें हांगा खारें उदक येता भितर हितून आतां गटर सोडला अशें दिसता तुका भितर अशें दिसता वास मारता ते भाशेन गटर सोडला कसो दिसता गटराचें उदक सोडला न्ही सिवरेज उदक मिक्स आसा हितून
Sagun for Herald TV.
Hat-trick by Ryan Menezes helped Guardian Angel SC of Kurchore to trounce Sazdia Real SC 5-0 to enter into the semi-finals of the Coutinho Family Inter-Village Football Tournament organized by Santa Cruz Society of Pointamaro and played at Kunkoli School Playground on Monday. Ivor Costa and Aaron Fernandez were the other scorers for Guardian Angel SC. Ryan Menezes was adjudged as a man of the match. That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.